Hey everyone, we're jumping into the feed with kind of a quick, sudden surprise drop to celebrate and tell you some information. For a couple months now, we've been talking in the previews that ABA Inside Track is going to be getting a new website. Well, surprise! As of today, the website is up and we're hoping mostly operational. The new website is going to take advantage of the changes to the BACB's guidelines around CEs, in that all of our episodes will now have a quiz. That doesn't go into effect till June, so some of the episodes we still are working on the quizzes, but you will start seeing more and more of that. You'll still need your code words as well as to answer quizzes. You'll also find updated bios tied to the episode for all of our guests, so you can see who the people and learn more about the people that you are hearing on some of our episodes, and some other kind of quality of life things. Namely, your CEs will now come directly to you in certificate form after you sort of, passed the test of putting in your code words and answering some questions. We're very excited about that part. The old website, ABA Inside Track, will still be up for at least the foreseeable future. So if you find yourself accidentally there, or we forgot to change a link, you still, won't be shut out of being able to get CEs that way. If you're just someone who likes to listen to the episodes as they come out, nothing is going to change. You won't even notice a difference because the RSS feeds are still the same. Now, unfortunately, one of the sad side effects of starting this way earlier is, well, unfortunately, the system we've used for many, many years somehow stopped working completely. So it is now taking Diana even longer every night to make your bespoke certificates. So we've sort of had to rush the launch. With that being said, we are really going to appreciate that if you notice a link does not go where it's supposed to, or something appears to be missing, or the learning objectives don't match what the episode is, please kindly send us an email at abainsidetrack@gmail.com to let us know you found a mistake, because what was going to take at least 2 more months, we had to rush into the past week. So we may have missed some things. So if maybe you have a certificate that says the wrong number of CEs, something like that, please just let us know and we will fix it as quickly as we can. Diana, anything else you want to add about the change in the website? Anything else listeners will want to know?
Yeah, I mean, we're doing a little bit of learning along with you in terms of operationality of the website. So there may be potential bugs. As long as everyone can just approach this all with grace and patience, we would greatly appreciate that. So if you do find something, the keyword there that Rob said was kindly, if you could kindly let us know. We've been working really, really hard to get this up and running, and then had to kind of push it through more quickly here at the end. But we're really excited about this as a new place for you to get your CEs from, and for the episodes to be housed. So everything's still available through however you listen to your podcast. That's always going to be the case. You can always listen for free there. But the website is a little bit different. So when you go there first, it will prompt you to make an account and ask you for particular information, such as your BCBA number or whatever certificate number it is that you're using for your CEs, the name that you want to be listed on your CEs, and I don't know if there's anything else super special, but that information is set up with your account, and then that is what gets put onto your certificate that gets sent out to you. So just make sure that what you're entering there initially is the information that you want to have on your CE certificate. I don't know why you'd list other things, but I'm just noting that for you. Hopefully that's all going to work smoothly. We will, I don't know if you said this, Rob, but if you have codes, right, for patrons, those codes should still work for those particular episodes, but that's, once again, something that we, it's possible that something might not be quite right, and then you can just kindly let us know, and we will make sure to get that fixed for you as best we can. The new website, I think people are really going to like it. It's going to be set up so that you, quote unquote, purchase the course is how they call it, and then once you get inside of there, you can then complete the CE at your own pace. So you can do like you've always done, which is listen on, I don't know where you like to listen to these, Apple, I don't know. I have an app called Overcast. It works really great. But you listen wherever you want, right? And then you can go over there and purchase the CE, or how I think sometimes people think our website works now is you purchase it, and then you can also listen to it once you're inside the little module. Whichever way works, those are both going to be available to you, but you can and then once you complete the the quiz. At the end, that is when it's going to issue your certificate to you, and it will have that issue date of the quiz completion on there. So it's not the date that you got the module. If you like wait around, right? It's going to be the date of the completion of the certificate. So please plan accordingly with that. I'm not going to be able to make changes on those. We have to continue to stick to the BACB requirements with respect to that as well. So I'm sure there will be other questions and things coming up, but we're really excited, and we hope you like it.
Yeah, and we'll be rolling those changes kind of out. This is not like a flip a switch and then the website is all live. It is there, but we have to update links and things. So depending on how you get there, you might find some of the pages are still going to the old page. Again, everything will work, so wherever you're going is fine. But just as we get through today and probably a little bit in tomorrow, you might just notice that some of the links you went to no longer go to the place you were expecting. They'll go to the new website. But again, if you notice anything weird or something seems off, please just kindly let us know. We really do want to make sure that this all is as smooth as possible. But we know based on some factors that are outside of our control, we had to do this a little bit faster. So we're sure we're missed something. But hey, hopefully it's not very much and nothing that inconveniences you.
I'm going to tell you one more thing.
Sure.
Every episode has a transcript. The transcript is held within those modules that I just described. So if you purchase it and then you get, all the stuff's inside there, but anyone can access a transcript. It's just the way that the website is set up is that it's behind, like it's within the module. But if you want or need a transcript, please just email me and I will happily send it to you.
All right. Well, great. We look forward to this new website and this new kind of way to get information out to everybody. Some of it not that new. Some of it's the same old way, in the podcast player. But we're very excited. We hope you are too. So please enjoy the update, and we'll talk more about any changes as we go through them in the next couple preview episodes. But yeah. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for continuing to support our show so that we're able to make this change, and enjoy the new website. Bye.
Bye.